上晝8:01，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺上晝8點，颱風泰利集結喺香港之西南偏南大約250公里，即喺北緯20.2度、東經113.2度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶，並且繼續增強。受泰利影響，香港普遍吹東至東南烈風，高地間中吹暴風。按照而家嘅預測路徑，泰利會喺朝早喺香港西南偏南300公里內掠過。同時，同泰利相關嘅一道強雨帶正係影響珠江口一帶。8號烈風或暴風信號至少維持至正午12點。隨後8號信號會否維持，將會取決於本地風力嘅變化，同泰利雨帶嘅相關陣風會否持續影響香港。受泰利帶嚟嘅風暴潮同天文大潮嘅共同影響，預計大澳嘅海水高度會喺上晝8點至11點期間上漲至海圖基準面以上大約3米或以上。海水上漲可能會引致低洼地區出現水浸，市民應該盡量避免進入可能受影響嘅低洼地區同遠離危險地方。海有非常大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、大老山同長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時96、80同80公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時138、101同97公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同踏正嘅風暴消息。
8:01 in the morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 8 a.m., Typhoon Talim was centered about 250 km south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.2 degrees north, 113.2 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 km per hour in the general direction of Leju Peninsula and Hainan Island, and continue to intensify. Under the influence of Talim, east to southeasterly gales prevail over Hong Kong, with occasional storm-force winds on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Talim will skirt within 300 kilometers to the south-southwest of Hong Kong this morning. Meanwhile, an intense rain band associated with Talim is affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force before noon. Whether the signal number 8 will remain in force thereafter will depend on the changes in local wind strength and how persistent the gusts associated with the rain bands of Talim will affect Hong Kong. Under the combined effect of the storm surge brought by Talim and the spring tide, a high water level of around 3 meters or more above chart datum is expected at Tayo between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. The high water level may cause flooding in low-lying areas. Members of the public should avoid going to likely affected low-lying areas and stay away from dangerous places. Seas are very rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Tate's Cairn and Chung Shou Beach were 96, 80 and 80 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 138, 101, and 97 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節嘅風暴消息報導完畢。